Hi all, this is the great Grandmaster Steve. I thought on such a beautiful day, almost blizzard-like conditions, I'd put a little video on. You got some nice toms down there, a couple of adult hens, scavenging around, but the deer kind of cleaned it up about 15-20 minutes ago. The last one left, I think it was about a 6-pointer. So that's empty. You got one limping there. It's not limping too bad. He was limping real bad about 3 weeks ago. So he's not too bad. He's getting around very good. When they're getting better and looking that healthy, that's not bad at all. Some nice birds. They've been around a few years. We've been pretty lean on activity this year. And a new trail goes through the middle of the boneyard. That disrupted them. Whatever. Well, it's a nice blizzard day, that's for sure. Wind chills, they say, are around 5 below. With the wind chill anyway. Anyway, thanks for visiting my pages. It's always been fun, very fun. This is the great Grandmaster Steve. Till next time.